Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to unlink Fortnite account on PS4, PS5 and Xbox. Press the start button on your controller, then scroll down and go to settings. Then go to account and privacy from the top. Then go to logout and confirm. Then go to Xbox home. Then select the game and click on exit. Go to browser and search for Epic Games login. Then click on official website link. Then sign in into the account. For the sidebar, go to apps and accounts. Then go to Xbox and click on remove. Now click all the checkboxes and click on remove account. Now go to Xbox home and open the app. Then sign in into your account. Then click on skip this. By following these steps, you can unlink Fortnite account on PS4, PS5, Xbox.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.